Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation with a focus on digital marketing. Today, we'll explore how digital channels can drive brand growth, help acquire new customers, and deliver measurable ROI in India's fast-evolving market. Our topic is digital marketing, your gateway to online success. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through practical and concise insights on leveraging digital strategies to succeed in this dynamic landscape. So let's get started. Let's talk about some of the key advantages of digital marketing that make it so powerful. First, it helps lower acquisition costs, meaning it's often more cost-effective to reach new customers. Second, it allows for precise targeting, so you can focus on the right audience at the right time. Third, digital channels enable faster testing of different strategies, helping you see what works quickly. And lastly, it provides clear attribution, so you always know which efforts are driving results and can make smarter decisions moving forward. Now, why is this especially important for business impact? Well, with rapid internet adoption and the rise of mobile-first audiences, more people are engaging online than ever before. E-commerce is expanding rapidly, and regional language users are coming online in large numbers, opening up new markets. So why focus on India? Because India is uniquely positioned with a huge, diverse digital audience. Using online channels like search, social media, email, ads, and content, businesses can reach and convert customers more effectively than traditional methods. And what do we mean by digital marketing? Simply put, it's the use of digital channels and platforms to connect with potential customers. It's crucial in India because it allows brands to tap into a rapidly growing digital population, making marketing more targeted, efficient, and measurable. This is why digital marketing matters so much in India's vibrant and expanding economy. Let's talk about content marketing first. The idea here is to create story-led, value-first content such as blogs, videos, or even regional language materials. The goal is to attract the right audience, educate them, and ultimately convert them into customers. This kind of content builds trust and engagement over time. Now, to get immediate visibility, we rely on paid strategies like targeted bids, selecting the right keywords, testing different ad copies, and tracking conversions carefully. This approach falls under SEM or paid search and helps us reach potential customers quickly. On the other hand, organic reach through SEO is a longer-term strategy. It involves optimizing your website's on-page elements, ensuring your technical health is solid, building quality backlinks, and focusing on local SEO to increase your visibility gradually over time. Finally, it's important to remember that these pillars, SEO, SEM, and content marketing, work together as essential components of a comprehensive digital strategy. When combined effectively, they help us attract, engage, and convert audiences more efficiently, supporting our overall marketing goals. Now, let's talk about engaging micro-influencers and building responsive communities. This approach is crucial because it helps us boost trust and advocacy around our brand. When we work with micro-influencers, we're tapping into their highly engaged audiences, which often feel more connected and authentic than larger influencers. This creates a ripple effect, fostering a community that genuinely cares about what we do. To support this, we should leverage various creative formats like short videos, live sessions, stories, and carousels. These formats are perfect for mobile consumption. They're quick, engaging, and easy to consume on the go. Remember, the goal is to make our content accessible and compelling, encouraging interaction and sharing. Another key point is matching the platform to the audience. Different platforms attract different demographics. For instance, Instagram and Reels are fantastic for visual storytelling and reaching younger audiences, while YouTube allows for longer, more in-depth content. Facebook and LinkedIn serve different purposes and audiences, and regional apps can help us connect locally. By selecting the right platform, we maximize our reach and relevance. Overall, social media marketing is all about connecting authentically with our audience. Building these communities and leveraging the right formats and platforms helps us foster trust, encourage advocacy, and ultimately, strengthen our brand presence. Let's start with segmentation. Grouping users by their behavior, life cycle stage, and preferences allows us to send more relevant messages. This ensures that each person receives content that truly resonates with them. Moving on to automation, setting up workflows like welcome series, cart recovery, re-engagement, and post-purchase journeys helps us nurture leads seamlessly. These automated sequences keep the conversation going without extra effort. Finally, personalization is key. By keeping our copy concise and mobile optimized, and by A/B testing subject lines and send times, we can maximize our results. Incorporating dynamic content, regional language options, and product recommendations further boosts conversions. All these strategies work together to create a more engaging, effective email marketing and automation approach. Now let's talk about bid strategies. It's important to align them with your KPIs, whether that's CPC, CPA, or ROAS. Starting small allows you to test what works best, and then you can scale up your winning creatives for maximum impact. When it comes to budget and bidding, it's all about choosing the right mix: search, display, social, video, and native, based on your specific campaign objectives. Next, formats play a crucial role. Use intent data, demographics, and custom audiences to precisely target high-value prospects. This way, you're reaching the right people at the right time. Overall, digital advertising is about reaching your target audience with precision, combining smart bidding, strategic budget allocation, and tailored formats. When these elements work together, you can significantly improve your campaign performance and achieve your marketing goals more effectively. Regular reporting is really about turning those metrics into actionable decisions. When you see what's working well, you can optimize and double down on those strategies. Conversely, if something isn't performing, it's smart to pause or reevaluate. Now, to do this effectively, you need to define your KPIs, key performance indicators, like traffic, leads, customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, and return on ad spend. These give you clear benchmarks to measure success. Using attribution models and UTM tagging is crucial too. They help you trace exactly where your performance is coming from, so you know which channels or campaigns are truly driving results. And remember, measurement isn't a one-time thing. It's an iterative process. Each week, you should test different creatives, channels, and landing pages, always based on the data you gather. Ultimately, this approach, analytics and measurement, is about truly understanding your impact. It's what lets you make smarter decisions and keep improving your marketing efforts over time. All right, let's walk through this essential loop for building a successful digital marketing strategy. First, you need to understand your audience, what they want, how they behave, and what drives their decisions. This research helps you tailor your approach effectively. Next, you set measurable goals, clear targets that you can track and evaluate, whether it's increasing engagement, generating leads, or boosting sales. Once your goals are defined, you create targeted content and creatives that resonate specifically with your audience and align with your objectives. This ensures your message hits the right notes. Then, you define the channels you'll use, whether social media, email, search, or other platforms, that best reach your audience and support your goals. After launching your campaigns, it's crucial to track performance continuously. Measure results against your targets, analyze what's working and what isn't, and then optimize your efforts. This cycle, understanding, setting goals, producing targeted content, measuring, and optimizing, keeps your strategy agile and scalable. Remember, this loop is the backbone of a successful digital marketing strategy, helping you refine your approach and grow over time. AI really accelerates creative testing and personalization, allowing us to tailor content at scale. But it's crucial that we use privacy-aware methods to protect user data while still delivering relevant experiences. When we talk about regional languages, they open up huge, often underserved audiences. Localization becomes key here because connecting in someone's native language builds trust and engagement. Then, there's vernacular content. Think about how explosive growth in Reels and Shorts is transforming brand discovery. Short-form videos are incredibly powerful for reaching audiences quickly and creating viral moments. So, as we look at current trends and the future of digital marketing in India, it's clear that embracing AI, localization, and short-form content will be vital for staying ahead in this dynamic landscape. Questions? Let's discuss the next steps tailored specifically to your brand and audience. It's important to emphasize that prioritizing mobile is crucial, especially in regions like India, where mobile usage is dominant. We should also focus on regional languages and culturally relevant creatives to truly resonate with your target audience. Localizing your content for India can make a significant difference in engagement and conversion. Using analytics effectively allows us to attribute results accurately, optimize campaigns in real time, and justify your investment based on solid data. Consistent measurement helps us track progress and refine strategies continuously. Rapid experimentation is key. Testing different tactics quickly helps us identify what works best. When we find high-impact strategies, we can scale those winners to maximize ROI. Starting with clear goals is fundamental. They guide our choice of channels and how we allocate your budget. Without clear KPIs, it's hard to measure success or know where to focus efforts. Finally, I want to open the floor for questions and discuss the key takeaways that will support your digital journey. Together, we can craft a plan that's tailored, strategic, and effective for your brand's growth.